Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a flat-top Kabuki brush. First, understand that this brush is designed for even, full coverage. Hold the brush near the ferrule, the metal part, for maximum control. This grip allows for precise application and blending, ensuring your foundation or powder is distributed smoothly across your face. It's all about control and gentle pressure for a flawless finish. For liquid or cream foundations, dispense a small, pea-sized amount onto the back of your hand or directly onto the brush. Gently dab the product onto your face in small sections, starting from the center and working outwards. Use a stippling or pressing motion, rather than dragging, to build coverage. This technique helps to push the product into the skin for a seamless, natural look without streaks. When using powder foundations, swirl the flat-top Kabuki brush directly into the product, tapping off any excess. Apply the powder to your face using light, circular buffing motions. Begin in areas where you need more coverage, like the T-zone, and then lightly sweep across the rest of your face. This method ensures an even distribution and helps to set your makeup for a long-lasting finish throughout the day. To achieve a truly blended look, use gentle, circular motions to buff out any harsh lines or edges, especially around the jawline and hairline. Remember, proper brush care is crucial for hygiene and longevity. Clean your flat-top Kabuki brush at least once a week with a gentle brush cleanser and lukewarm water. This prevents product buildup and keeps your skin clear, ensuring your brush performs at its best for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.